Hi everyone, my name is Raghavin Mishra, and in today's video I will walk you step by step through how to create a new Azure account, and I will also explain the different account types like free, pay as you go, and student, along with the credit and prerequisite that you need to know before signing up. Let me just take you to this particular notes wherein I have mentioned the types of a user account, what all types of your Azure accounts are available. So this is the most popular one, which is a free account, and that will actually give you approx $200 in Indian rupees. It is 17,000 approx. So you are going to get free credit, and that is valid for 30 days. Okay. So 12 months of free services, virtual machines, storage, database you can create, okay, in the Azure. And this is best for the beginners, student, and professional learning Azure, and requires a credit and debit card for identity verification. All right. So no charges until you manually upgrade to pay as you go account. So this is second type of Azure account, so which will give you kind of postpaid kind of service. Okay, so you get whatever you pay for. So this is suitable for professional startups and companies. So you are going to get full access to all Azure services from the day one. And the third type is like a student account, and that will offer only to verified college university student, and you are going to get $100 from the Azure without requiring any credit card. So it will a student will have access to many Azure services, and they can use within $100 basically. So good for student learning project and certification purpose. All right, so let me just take you to this. Let me copy this portal.azure.com in one of our favorite browser. Mine is Chrome, and then I will just log into this, and all you have to do is just sign up. I have already signed up for this particular Azure account. Signing up is very easy. If you don't have any account or Gmail or any Yahoo or Hotmail or any account, right, uh, then you can just have one. And then if you have not logged into this particular Microsoft Azure account so far till date, you can just create the one. Okay, all you have to provide your detail here. So no account, create one. If you have account, then you can sign in directly. Okay, so for example, if I give qa.com, it will the same. You already have an account. Okay, so it will ask me to sign in. Okay, it has sent me the code in my Gmail, which I need to enter over here. So I have received the code from Microsoft. Then I'm going to just enter this 370486. Three seven zero 486. Okay, and it will take me to this. We are updating our terms. Okay, so just click on next, and then you can skip for now all these MFA, multi-factor authentication and all. Okay, skip having a sign in every time. Stay sign in. Yes. So it will take you to this particular home page. Okay, wherein you can see all your details. Okay, so this is very simple. And now you can go and go to the billing, and here you can see all three options. Okay, start with Azure free trial, Azure and GitHub integration. So all you have to do is to click on this. Okay, to opt for 200 free credit. Okay, so just click on start and click on try Azure for free. Okay, you have already logged into this Azure. Now what you are going to do is to opt for, you are trying to avail 200 free credit card. Okay, put your name. Okay, your phone number. Okay, company you can just mention something like not available, or maybe SDET Adda I can give. Okay, pan is optional, just leave it, and then you have to solve this puzzle. Go and solve this. Use the arrow to rotate. Okay, to face in the same direction. So just use this. Okay, wherever you see. Okay, then you can submit. Done. And then click on next. Provide your detail, like I'm from Bangalore, so I can just mention. Okay, and then click on and next. So state you can mention Karnataka, or wherever, whichever state you belong to, whatever region you belong to, whatever country you belong to. Okay, so mine is saved. Okay, I have already opted, so I will show you. Here it will ask for the account detail. Okay, so that you can enter. I have already entered, so let us take us to, let this guy take us to that payment. Okay, you won't be charged until you move to pay as you go pricing. Okay, this is very good move from Azure. So you would have seen like all other services or any site, they actually automatically start deducting once you forget to unsubscribe or cancel that membership. But here it will not charge anything until you move to pay as you go. Your account will be simply disabled after 30 days. So no need to worry. You can provide your debit card details, expiry, CVV number, and there you go. This is the final step. Okay, so just provide your Visa or Master. It is not accepting RuPay as of today, and make sure your debit card has international transfer enabled. Okay, so this is the process. Okay, now once you are fill this much, I mean your 2 rupees will be deducted from your account, and once you just pay that amount, okay, with valid card number, then you will be able to opt for 200 rupees, $200. Okay, that is approx 17,000 in Indian rupees. I'll just go back and then I will start. I'll just sign out from here. Since I have already let me show you my other account where I have actually opted for $200 dollar. So this is Raghavan Mishra 16, and I will send the code. Okay, so let me just enter the code. $676 704. Okay, so it will take me to the Azure account homepage. I'll show you like how it looks like. Okay, so I have got 17,000 yesterday. I have logged into this particular I have entered all those details which I was mentioning. My debit card details. Okay, then I will be getting this much of credit card that you can see in the notification. Okay, and here comes your billing part. So you can look for your subscription. Okay, Azure subscription. Okay, and since I have not used anything, so it will give me 00. Once I start using these services, okay, then it will be deducting from this particular credit amount. So if I happen to exhaust all these in 10 days, okay, this limit in 10 days, then it will ask me to upgrade to pay as you go subscription. It is not going to charge anything until you manually upgrade to pay as you go subscription. All right, So this is very useful for the student, professionals, and everyone who is uh, going to learn or want to learn this Azure DevOps, MLOps for the DevOps, MLOps. So this particular Azure cloud. Okay, all these are the services which we are going to discuss in our next session. So thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video useful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Your support really motivates me to create more useful content for you. See you in next video. Thanks again.